Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek Smith. I've got a product for you that's going to save you time and money. It's click-lock bed bows for your pop-up camper. So if you need a new bed bow for your Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper, these are the ones that you want. These kits require no tools to put together. Right out of the box, they're going to click-lock together and install in your pop-up. You're going to at least need a few tools for that last step. Now, your old bed bow likely doesn't have this system, and you might be asking, hey Derek, why don't you just ship them complete? Complete, they're too large for most small carriers like USPS and UPS to carry. So they have to go tractor trailer, which can be rather expensive for home delivery. I sincerely appreciate you watching, your business, and liking and subscribing. When you purchase, don't forget to check the coupon link for that day's best deal on your new click-lock bed bow. I will see you guys at the campground.